Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the cabin filter on Opel Insignia. The cabin filter is located behind the glove box, so we need to remove the glove box in order to get to the cabin filter. First we're gonna remove this panel to the right, and then we're gonna remove a couple of bolts. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. After we removed all the bolts, we can just pull down the glove box and it will come out. We forgot one bolt just there. We need to remove that as well, and the glove box will come down. Now we have access to the cabin filter. This is the cabin filter right there. We need to remove this plastic cover, and we can then replace the cabin filter. Okay, now we put on the new cabin filter and put the plastic cover back on, put the glove box back in its place, and that's it. Assemble everything in the reverse order. Thank you for watching.